So we just got back from a day together with all the people from Grant Campbell's retreat here in Chanthaburi, Thailand. We've been spending the day at the Chanthaburi, I'm not sure entirely what it's called, I think it's the Chanthaburi Horticultural Research Center. Is that right? Something like that. It's the research center where they grow lots of fruit, especially durian, and experiment with different varieties, and basically a research facility for fruit growing. So that was awesome, and after that we went to this garden fruit orchard place where we had a fruit buffet. It was a good, really good day, really cool. So,
very intense,
yeah,
as you may see in some of the footage, and it was a very great day. I'm very glad I enjoyed that experience. Anyone who wants to take a look at some interesting fruits should go to the Horticultural Research Center here in Chanthaburi.
we were running around the orchard like the monkeys that we are, and everyone was eating durian. Check it out. We're on a durian prowl, walking around the durian orchard. There's durian everywhere.
Here's the one for touching. Oh, it's still on the tree.
Oh, I see open durian.
You're not fast enough, my friend.
Uh-oh. We're being monkeys.
Honestly, screw the buffet. This is. And it's free somehow. I don't understand. Wanna go half?
Yeah, just go.
I don't know how.
No, I don't know either. It turns out you get the worst part of it.
It's always
Take a
like
taxi
that.
back.
Yeah. No. Ow. Spikes.
That's just the best
It's worth
one.
it. It is.
It's torture, but it's really good. Give it to me again. We're like,
There's more in there.
Out of the bush.
There's one in
Everyone
there.
has durian everywhere, and blood,
Yeah.
and it's like, whoa, what just happened?
It's white, so
Yeah.
I was unexpected.
Let's see if there's any more.
There we go.
Oh,
There it is.
Whoa.
You're just like trying to take a neat piece of it, not possible.
Okay, everybody take.
That's so
Mm.
cool.
Mm-mm.
I hear a car.
That's okay, we don't care.
It's okay. It's okay. Next.
No man, we have to go.
No!
Friends is watching this.
Yeah.
All right,
should,
it's time to go.
Let's go. You know Charlie in the chocolate factory?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is just
Yeah.
like,
Oh, yeah.
This is the real deal.
Screw the chocolate factory.
We're all licking our fingers everywhere here.
More like, I don't know.
Uh-oh.
Damn. Those are like balls.
Oh yeah.
It was really like white plastic and it was super creamy.
To me, it tasted like a honey vanilla ice cream.
On the vanilla ice.
Yeah, because I could taste the honey in it.
Yeah.
I know it's better than honey, but whatever. But
Yeah, I call it the butter of the gods.
the butter of the gods, yeah.
run around everywhere and find nice durian.
We're supposed to walk around, but we're just eating
Don't worry
durian.
about the walking.
But there's no sign that says not to.
We just have to. Bloody durian. That's literally.
We're very technical.
Are you doing fine?
Whoa. Orange.
That
This one
sound.
has nothing. Whoa.
I won't say no. Peer pressure.
Before I eat it all.
One first.
Did you try this one, no?
It's fun feeding you.
It's very good.
How was it?
That one.
Really?
Good.
Best thing in the world, pretty much.
Cookies. His was just little cookies.
Yeah.
Hello, Mike. Sharing of durian.
Thank you.
I'm being
Right? Yeah.
No, when it's
so cool.
Yeah.
I know.
Organic,
In the rain.
organic tree ripened durian in the rain with friends.
Yeah.
Come on.
Tastes like chocolate.
Dark chocolate, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
I've been
Durian feasting in the orchard.
This is like,